Meteomatics, a NASA Space App's global collaborator offering free unlimited access to our weather API for the duration of the challenge. Meteomatics is a provider of weather data based in St. Gallen, Switzerland. We recognise the need for high-resolution atmospheric data for a variety of applications. Most global models produce data with an internal resolution of more than 10 kilometres horizontally, but we take this data and we downscale it, allowing you to access it at a resolution of just 90 metres. Additionally, our Euro 1K model actually runs at a resolution of 1 kilometre and produces much more realistic weather forecasts for short lead times. We're excited to be a global collaborator because we know that atmospheric data can be of immense value to apps, not just based on terrestrial issues, but also those handling the transition to space. That's why we're offering participants free, unlimited access to our weather API for the duration of the challenge. Meteomatics data covers not only your standard meteorological parameters, such as wind speed, temperature, precipitation, and so on, but also a huge number of other potentially interesting native and derived parameters. You might be interested in land usage, particulates and pollution, agricultural data, lightning strikes, to name just a few. Meteomatics data covers the period 1980 to today, so that you can accurately model climatologically normal conditions for any place in the world. We also provide data from 5 climate projection scenarios covering the period from today until the end of a century. In addition to this, we also have normal short-range forecasts as well as medium-range ensemble forecasts, of course. No matter your background, experience, and preferred programming style, our API is designed to be easy to use. We provide connectors for all of the most widely used programming languages and GIS softwares, as well as query types for all kinds of output data formats, from CSV to NetCDF and everything in between. The overhead you'll save on having to learn to work with new software makes using our API the fastest way to access data, which is invaluable during time-pressured hackathons like this one. To take advantage of our global offer, you simply need to fill in the form on the Meteomatics NASA Space Apps Challenge page, wait a couple of minutes, and you'll receive a username and password in your email inbox. The API can be accessed via URL or programmatically. Using our URL creator can help you get started with your first queries. To use the URL creator, choose the type of output you want, choose the location of your query, select the parameters and the time steps, and your URL should look like this. Now, simply copy and paste it on your preferred browser. Enter your username and password, and you'll see the result of your request. Click on the burger menu to see the download options. Alternatively, all the information you need to use our API with whatever programming language or software you're most comfortable with is available on our website. During the challenge, our team will be standing by to assist you via email if you have any questions. In past editions of the Space Apps Challenge, we saw a huge interest in our weather API. We provided access to dozens of teams who used our data and received tons of positive feedback from participants who found our weather API easy to use and to integrate with other data sets at both a global and a local level, helping them analyse and understand the interplay between weather and Earth systems over a weekend. Precise and easy to use weather data is a crucial resource for every challenge that involves atmospheric data, helping you with projects as diverse as improving an Earth data analytics app, creating an algorithm to remove the tropospheric signal from radar datasets, or even combining weather data with NASA's airborne data to educate the public about a problem associated with Earth's changing climate. So, good luck on your Space Apps journey this year. We at Meteomatics wish you all the best and are looking forward to seeing how you can use weather data to make a difference.